Okay, so now our result is our integrating factor is now x raised to the power of 3. So from here, we can now get our general solution. So our general solution is, okay, so our general solution, we have, sorry, so, okay, so our general solution, is, because we are using linear in y, so therefore our general solution is equivalent to, y times integrating factor is equivalent to integral of q of x times integrating factor dx plus c. So from here, we can now substitute our integrating factor and q of x. So our y times integrating factor, or integrating factor again is x cubed. So that is x cubed equals, so our cube x, that is 2x squared minus x cubed times integrating factor, which is x cubed dx plus c. So from here you have x cubed y equals, move the constant outside the integral sign, we integrate this one separately. So x squared times x cubed, that is x raised to the power of 5. So x raised to the power of 5 minus x cubed times x cubed, that is x integral x raised to the power of 6. So you have dx here, plus c. So from here, let me move this one up. So from here, we have x cubed y is equal to, we have 2 integral of x raised to the power 5, that is power rule, that in your integral calculus, that is x raised to the power of 6, because you have 5 plus 1 over 5 plus 1, that is the power rule, which is still 6. So minus, still power rule, so the power plus 1, that is 6 plus 1, that is 7 over the same, so plus c. So if you can see here, we can simplify this further. You have x cubed y is equivalent to 2 divided by 6, that is 1/3. So you have x raised to the power of 6 over 3 minus x raised to the power of 7 over 7 plus c. So from here, we could simplify this further, because we have x cubed on the other side, so we can divide this both sides by x cubed. So you have y is equivalent to x cubed, x raised to the power of 6 divided by x cubed, that is x raised to the power of 3 over 3 minus x raised to the power of 4 over 7 plus c over x cubed. Alright? Because x raised to the power of 7 divided by x raised to the power of 3, that is equal to x raised to the power of 4. So now our general solution will be equivalent to x cubed over 3 minus x raised to the power of 4 over 7 plus c sub 1. So, so from here, I just forgot, let c sub 1 be equal to c over x cubed. So therefore, our general solution is this one. So this is our general solution. So let's try to see whether if that is the same with our, okay, so if we could look above, so from here, if we could look above, our integrating our p of x is x raised to the power of 3, which is the same, okay, the same as what we did here. So this one, so that is x 3 over x, and our cube x is the same. Our integrating factor, sorry, is still x cubed. And our general solution, so let's try to look if our general solution is the same. If you could look closer, sorry, okay, this is the general solution, which is, this is the result when we yet simplify it. So if you can see x cubed, that is this one and this one, and we did not yet simplify that one, but again, this is already correct, but we simplified further to be look like this. So if you could see here, in this concept notes, we have the conditions, which is if y is equals to 2 when x is equals to 1. Therefore, we need to get the particular solution. Let's try to see. So let me clear this one. So let me clear this one, so that we can have space to solve. Okay, just clear that one. Okay, so from here, we've seen that our general solution is y. We've seen that our general solution is y is equivalent to x cubed over 3 minus x raised to the power 4 over 7 plus c sub 1. Now, in the condition, it states that y is equivalent to 2, 2, yeah, and when x is equal to, so when x is equal to 1. So what we'll do is just simply substitute the y and the x in the given general solution. So you have y is 2 equals x is 1, so 1 cubed over 3 minus 1 raised to the power 4 over 7 plus c sub 1. So from here, we have 2 equals 1/3 minus 1 over 7 plus c sub 1, or c sub 1 be equal to 2 minus 1/3 plus 1 over 7. So if you use your calculator, you could get directly the value of c sub 1, or we could solve it further as getting the denominator as 21. So the denominator that we could use for 3 and 7, that is 21. So we have here 21 divided by 1, that is 21, times 2, that is 2 times 21, minus 21 divided by 3, that is 7 times 1, plus 21 divided by 7, that is 3, times this one, that is 1. So therefore, your C sub 1 be equal to 21 times 2, that is 42, minus 7 plus 3 over 21. Therefore, your C sub 1 be equal to 21 minus 7, that is 35, plus 3, that is 38 over 21. Okay, it is 38 over, sorry. So this 38 over 21. So now our particular solution is now is y equivalent to x cubed over 3 minus x raised to the power 4 over 7 plus 38 over c sub 1. Sorry, not c sub 1. 38 over 21. Okay, so now this is our particular solution. Let's try to check. So we have here, so 38 over 21. So we have 38 over 21. So if you divide this one, so it will be looking like this one. So see, if you divide this one, divide x cubed, it will look like this one. Okay, so that is how you solve linear in y. Okay, so let's continue for another example.